Just I am giving a revision. Yesterday I started with, I said that first architectural development that we have seen in the form of, I said, Harappan civilization. And in the Harappan civilization, what we have seen, first I said there is an urban planning, and then I said citadel. And citadel generally existing along the, what I said, that western side of India, western side of town. And the eastern side, I said that there is an urban structure is there, and citadel was having the largest great bath, and this great bath is at the Mohenjo-daro. And then we have a great granaries, and the great granaries are in Harappa, the Appa. And then towns we have seen, like I said, that which is the best town developed. And then best town we have seen, yes, tell me, Dholavira and Kalimangan. And Dholavira has been discovered by, I said, Bisht. And then Kalimangan was discovered by Ghosh, Ghosh. And thereafter we have seen, like I said, after this, that urban structure in this region is running, in this road was running north to south, and it has been joined by, I said, that is smaller roads, and smaller roads are what running east to west, and all are connecting 90 degree, and every houses in I say, in this Indus Valley civilization having a courtyard, and then wells, and also there is a sewage plan is better, and we have been able to see that there is also some lamp posts are there. So, but we are not able to get a better idea about this Indus Valley civilization architectural skill. The reason behind that it is I said that ruined structure, understood? And then I have talked about after that there is a moraine structure. In the moraine structure we have, I said that there is first it is rock caves are there, and then which is the caves? Barabar caves, which I said that Barabar cave, and then I said there is a Nagarjun caves, and then Barabar caves are, I said that it is a Loma Rishi, Sudama, Karan Chopper, and Vishwa Jhopadi, understood? And then some most important cave is, I said that Loma Rishi. And then you have seen that there is one palace structure is also there. And then palace structure we have seen Kumara, which has been, what is Megasthenes has described about it, but it has been destroyed. There is a 80 pillar hall, it has been destroyed because it must have been made up of wood, and due to the burning and fire it has been destroyed. Thereafter we have started with, I said that this is the Kumara, and then we are seeing some stupas. And then stupa, if I have talked about in that, I said that Pali and several places it has been described, but in the Pali it is Thumba and Thupa, which is described that is somewhere related to funerary practices. And then it has been made up of, in the top there is a Yasti. Yasti has three, I said that Chatras, and three Chatras are talking about, yes. First it is Buddha, then Dhamma and Sangha. And then we have seen it is surrounded by Hermika, and then it is considered a Hermika, I said that abode of God. And thereafter there is a Vedika, and then nearby it is also surrounding, and Vedika is talking about internal world and external world. And the external world is what is impure, and internal world is pure. And thereafter only at Sanchi we have been able to see three stupas are there, but it has also Toranas, understood? And Toranas are, I said that it is depicted with, there is some, what I said that, square pillars are there, and there is an articates are there, which has the three layers. And there in the Toranas we have, I said that four lions, four horses riding with the man, and then four dwarfs, and then four elephants. And then a part of it, north gate, it has what? Jatakas, north mein Jat, and south mein Satkarni has described about something about it. Then we have talked about, after that, there is a famous Toranas are, the types of stupas are, which are that I say? Yes. Sarira stupa, Paribhogika, and then Nirdesika or Uddesika, and then votive stupa. Understood? And most in the present time you will see so many votive stupas are there. Thereafter I talked about the stupas. It is an important one that has been, you can be able to see Nagarjun Konda, and then Amravati. In the Amravati we have been able to see there is a garlanded gods are there, yes. And then I said that the four loins which are, what is jumping, that the four lines jumping, that is in a Vedikas. On the Vedika there is four lines has been made, and there is also Bodhi tree. And thereafter in the Nagarjuna Konda we have been able to see that the God is praying to the what is in a Bodhisattva that what he has to do, yes, that to come and take birth in the form of what is in a white elephants in the womb, and thereafter below the and said teak tree. It has been, but this Amaravati has one important feature is there is an Ayaka. What is there? Ayaka, that the 4 platforms are there at the 4 cardinal direction, and there is an Ayaka Stambha. And then we have seen the Sanchi Stupa, you know that is a famous stupa, but during the Sunga, in the post-Mauryan period, it has been converted from brick to stone. And then we have been able to see there is and so many things abhi humne baat kiya, what is about the Sanchi Stupa, Torana and all. And then it has also Yakshani, but if you go into Barhut Stupa, that is in Satna, it has only, I said that, no oldest it is, I said that, kya hai yahan par, there is an Yaksha and Yakshanis are there in the Bharut Stupa, and thereafter in the Bodh Gaya, which Stupa I said that? Bodhi Manda. Bodhi. And thereafter I said that Piparhova, it is in the, what is I said that? Siddharth Nagar, and then I said, and it is the oldest one, and it has been made up of mud brick, and somewhere it is related to Sakya. It is related to Sakya. Thereafter we have seen Taksila, and there is an I said Cheer Tope. You understood? Thak Sila, then Chirgya. And thereafter there is an about Chaityas, yes, and then Chaityas I said that it is a Chaityas having a what? If an entry it is there is apse, then there is a nave, and then 2 astles are there, yes or no? And the entry is highly decorated with the what is a semi-divine features, Yakshani and all, and then we have been saying it is in a horseshoe shaped structure. Which structure? Horseshoe shaped structure. And then the famous Chaityas are, and then prayer hall, and at the end of this Chaitya, there is a votive stupa. Which stupa is there at the end of it? Votive stupa. And then we have been able to see, I said that after this votive stupa, and then which are the famous stupas are? Chaityas are, I said that, Nasik, Pital Khora, and then John Ibrahim, and then Bhaja bech rahe the, aur bolte sabko kha le, kar le, and then we have been able to see, and then Kondana, and then Khandan. And thereafter I talked about the next, I say, Vihara. And then I said that Viharas are supposed to be made by the rock cut caves for the what is where the Buddhist monks and Jainist monks used to live. But initial level they are living in the what is rock cut caves. But over there when the number has been increased, they started living in the what is brick made Viharas. And then which are the famous Viharas for the Buddhist? We have seen Nasik, same will come, and then Pital Khora, same way it is in Aurangabad, but it is in Ajanta. That is also which one I said? Ajanta. Thereafter I said that John Ibrahim को हम लोगों ने बिहार में से निकाल दिया, and then उनके खानदान को what left? Bhaja and Karle. Understood? And then we have seen there is a Khandgiri cave, and which one I said? Udayagiri cave. This is famous for, I said that, Jaina, the king under the what is in a Kharvela nearby Bhubaneswar. Understood? And after that, after doing this one, we have seen what it is, and then pillars, and then pillars means there is a hard shaft is there, and thereafter it is uplifted with what is said that inverted lotus or maybe inverted bell, and above there is an abacus. Abacus it is having an what? Some crowned animals, and its height is around 40 to 50 feet, and the total weights are around 50 ton, but it is a variable, and several I said that several pillars has been there, but the important pillars we have seen, like I said, the Loria Areras and Loria Nandangarh, and that is best for one single loin crown. And then thereafter I said that Rampurva, just nearby this, it is for the bulls. And then we have seen Lumbini, thereafter Meerut, and then I said that Delhi Top, and then I said that Sankisa, and there is an elephant, and then I said that Dholi in the Odisha, it is that also elephant. And then Sarnath, which has been the top has been what is having 4 loins in the 4 cardinal direction, and then Abacus has lions, bulls, elephants, and horse. And in between there is what? Wheels, and wheels has a dharma, that is a 24 spokes, it is known as a dharma chakra pravartan. And thereafter we started with the, I said that temples, and the temples in the, I said that it has been started in the Gupta's period, and then first stage it is in a one single roof, thereafter there is a double story it has been formed, and thereafter Sikhara it has started coming, and then Sikhar not only coming for the stage of circular base. Yes, सब कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा है, one by one. And then famous one is in Kankali Devi temple at what? Temple at Tigawa. Thereafter we come for that. I said that slowly and slowly in the some stone temples are in stone and brick made temples. Stone temples are, I said that first Vishnu temple at Tigawa, and then I said Shiva temple at, I said that Bhumra and Co in the Satana, and then Parvati temple at Nachna Katura in the Panna, and then I said that it is in the last one Dasavatar temple at Devgarh in Jhansi. After that, brick made temple we have seen, that is in Bhittargaon in Kanpur, and then Paharpur in Bangladesh, and the Sirpur in the Raipur. And thereafter, after the brick temple we have seen during the Chandela, over the period till 8th century AD, it was Chandela. There is a coming of Khajuraho, and you will be able to see Lakshmana temple, and thereafter Kariya Mahadev said, and based I said that understood. And after that we have seen what type of temple structure by the time it has been developed. I said that there is an award below. If you will see that what is there, Jagati Pitha, and then Adhisthana Jangha, and above there is an everything started coming, Sikhar and all. So I said that first I said that Ardha Mandapa, Mandapa, Mahamandapa, Antarala, then there is a Sikhara, and above Sikhara there is an Amlaka with the Chandrika. And then we have been able to see Kalsa, and if the Kalsa is not made up of coconut, it is known as a Bij Pursa. And thereafter we have seen, then we move towards, I said that, then the transepts are there, and then Pradikshanas are there, and possibly there is some Pancha Yatana could be possible. Understood? Then we have seen the Odisha, and in the Odisha we have seen, like I said, that the Deols are is important, and then when you are taking an entry, it Khakra Deol, and then Pidha Deol, and thereafter which Deol? Yes, Rekha and Amitabh Bachchan. Understood? Rekha Deol. And then we have been able to see that there is some the important features which came into existence. The first one I said that Param Surmeshwara temple, and then I said that Mukteswara, and then Sun temple at Konark, that is considered as a black pagoda. Understood? And then we have seen what is the most important temple, I said, in the Bhubaneswar. And the Bhubaneswar we have been able to see. Yes, tell me. Lingaraja, I said that. Then the Vaithal temple for the Tantrism, and then Mukteshwar temple. Understood? Then I said the Siddhe Raja Rani, Brahma ke paas jate, Siddheshwar Raja Rani and Brahmeshwar temple. And then we have seen 64 Yogini, 64 Jogini, and then Anant Sayan temple. Yes? And that is, and after that we have moved towards Gwalior, and मैंने बोला Gali Teli to Sala, and then I said that Gwalior Teli ka temple, and then Sala Sikhara, and the Sala Sikhara, it is in a what? It is in a Dravidian style, in which the upper portion it is looking like what? Vault, where the two meeting, and then upper portion is meeting like दिख रहा है पानी की तरह हो जाता है. समझ में आ रहा है? Why did the people used to say that practice makes a man successful? Nobody is perfect in this world, but practice makes a man. चीजें आसान होती है, बस एक बार उसको once you have to understand it, after that it will be what? Yes.